Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 44 of the Techno Dinosaur meets the IT Geek. My name is Willie Nichol. I am the Techno Dinosaur, so named because I'm technologically challenged, but I'm also a personal development life coach. I am based in Troon, South Ayrshire, Scotland. My partner in crime, as always, is my friend David Logan, who is the IT Geek. So, David, how are you today and where are you?
Hi Wally, thank you for the introduction. My name is David Logan, the IT geek, the guy who takes the drama out of technology. Not the drama, it's the complexity out of technology for you, the home-based worker, for the home worker. And I'm based here in Annan, southwest of Scotland. Great day to be alive, Wally.
It always is, David, it always is. So, I have a question for you today, and we covered this many, many months ago, uh, not long after we started doing these little videos. But I forgot all about it, quite frankly, and it's about file sharing. I was sent a link to a large file, a PowerPoint presentation, and hadn't a clue what to do with it. After a lot of aggravation, I found out I had to use Google Drive because it was a Google Doc document, a PowerPoint. And then once I'd got the document, I couldn't do anything with it. I had to footer about finding a way of doing what I wanted to do with the document. So, is there an easy way to share large files, for example, between you and I?
Yes, thank you for that, Wally. Great question. It's very simple process. What we're doing when you want to send a file to each other, we can send it up to the cloud, not as in the rain clouds. But what the cloud is another computer connected to the internet elsewhere. It could be based in Troon, it could be based in Annan, it could be based in Iraq, Baghdad, Iraq, it could be based in New York, for all you and I know. All this computer needs is a good internet connection. So what we do is the file resides on the sender's computer. So say you're sending a file to me. So the file currently resides in your computer. You put it into your cloud system. I've got a cloud system at the moment. Examples of that is, as you say, Google Drive, OneDrive by Microsoft, Dropbox. There's a cloud platform called box.com. I don't know if you've ever heard of them. They all do the same kind of thing, synchronize and backup. But you specifically are asking about sharing the data. So going back to the file that's on your computer, which you want to share with me, you then copy that file. You say to it, right, I want to send this to David. So you right button click on that file and say, create me a shortcut, copy that shortcut, and you paste it into your email or a messaging service, WhatsApp, however you want to communicate with that link. Basically, that link is a link to your file on your computer, which has also been uploaded to the cloud computer. So your file that's on your computer has been synchronized, copied up to the computer which is based out in Baghdad, Iraq, or New York, or back and beyond. I'm using those names hypothetically. It could be Australia, it could be London. You get the idea, okay? So that's simple file sharing. It creates that link. And then on my end, when I get that message or email, I see that link, I press it, and it's basic ways of file downloads. You click on that link, the file should download, with the exception of a few variations, Google being one. But I think the problem you're hitting there, which is another issue, is it's been saved in Google format, if I'm not mistaken. So that means you need to, in effect, either install Google applications on your desktop or save it on your desktop, then upload it to your Google Drive so you can then view that document.
Yeah, well, that answers it, but it went into my Google Drive, and then I had to download it from my Google Drive onto my PC, and then I was able to do what I wanted to do with it.
Still in Google format?
No, it was a PowerPoint presentation. So,
so it was PowerPoint. Okay.
Yeah, so it wasn't Google. It wasn't Googleified, if you like. It came out the way I expected it to come out.
Brilliant.
But I was stumped for a few minutes trying to work this out, which prompted me to think I'll need to ask my good friend David about this again.
Did that simplify it then? What I've said there, does that answer?
Yes, it does. We all talk about the cloud. So my computer, store in the cloud, send you the link, and you can get it to your computer. Simple as that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So basically, if I can just go back a step just to simplify the process. So your document, I know we're reaching the end of the period now for this video. This document, which you want to send me, is you've notified to this cloud platform. This file, I want you to synchronize up to the cloud. Back up to the cloud, synchronize to the cloud. And then once that's been labeled, you can then go right button click or go through your application, whether it's Dropbox or Google, and say, I want to create a shortcut to this file, which you have in your server up in the cloud. Then I receive that link. What that link does then, it says, okay, David wants to download this file from the cloud to his computer. And then I can then work on it, do whatever I need.
Great. Well, yet again, the cloud's a marvelous thing, isn't it?
Fantastic. And rain, snow comes out of it as well. Sorry, that's the natural clouds.
Yeah, I should make notes so that in another 10 months' time, if we're still doing this, I won't ask you the same silly question. So
No
I think
problem.
that covers it, David. Thank you. To the viewer, I hope this has been useful. And if you have any questions about the cloud, not the rainy one, the cloud, or any other IT questions, please fire them to David directly. If you have any coaching questions, please fire them to me. So it just remains for me to say bye-bye from me, Willie Nicol, the Techno Dinosaur. Stay safe, stay well, and try and have a bit of fun along the way. Bye for now.
And goodbye from the IT Geek. Stay safe, stay healthy. Best of all, keep smiling. Good day, everybody. Bye.